If you are receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from Coursera app, then let me show you how you can permanently disable these pop-up notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Coursera is one of the best apps when it comes to courses. However, sometimes you may have enabled alerts that are too much for you or annoying and you wish to disable them. To do this, just go to your app and access its app info page by just long pressing on it. And then you should see app info. If you can see app info, you should see the name of the app or a settings gear. Tap on it to access Coursera app info page. Alternatively, you can also access this through settings. Under this, scroll down and look for permissions, and under permissions we have quite a number of options, and among them is notifications. If you tap on it, you can see all these notifications have been enabled, and this is the reason you have been receiving those alerts. To disable them all at once, just toggle off show notifications here, and that will disable all the notifications you are receiving. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive those alerts from Coursera app. So that's how you can disable notifications from this app permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.